this is the only video where I can say hello everyone, welcome back to my channel without being a pseudo gringa. So today's video is, as you could see on the title of this video, I am doing a makeup tutorial all in English. I said tutorial because I have no idea what I am doing. So imagine if I was going to teach someone how to do a makeup that oh my god, it's hard to speak in English. I thought it was going to be easier. And I am here today with my best friend that I like to call Google Translator. So anyways, let's start my makeup. I am feeling in those tutorials of Vogue, you know. So I already prepared. Let's see. Yes, I already prepared my skin with this serum from The Ordinary. It's a hyaluronic acid, and then I use this cream from Rocher. It's a lifting cream. And then now I'm gonna start my makeup. I'm gonna use this one from Revolution Pro. It's a liquid foundation. Well, my skin improved a lot that I would be without any makeup, but then we wouldn't have a video today. So now the world don't move. And then I'm gonna use this brush here from Real Techniques number 200. I am going to espalhar. I don't know how to say that in English. Anyways, guys, if you guys like this kind of video where I feel ashamed speaking in another language, I already have one, but it's not in English, it's in Italian. But to be honest, I hate that video. Seriously, I hate the video so much because it's so silent, because I don't have any words in Italian. I have different personalities in each language that I speak. In Portuguese, I am funnier, I think. I hope I am funnier. And in English, I am just a person who likes to talk a lot. A tagarela. I don't know how to say that in English. And in Italian, I am just a fucking quiet person. I don't speak, you know? Anyways, I am testing this foundation for 84 years now. So I'm just going to stop and going to do another thing. Now I'm going to use a concealer, guys. Is this from Maybelline? And I'm going to pass here under my eyes. And then here on my chin. My forehead. I am going to blend everything. This sponge is really good because I can blend everything so fast. I am going to do my eyebrows. First I'm gonna brush, and then with the pencil I'm going to fill my eyebrows. It's very easy to do my eyebrows with this pencil. So I finished my eyebrows and I didn't like how it turned out. But anyways, let's just move on. And now I'm going to bake my face with this powder, just like this. And then with this brush here from Real Techniques, I am going to take it off. Just take it off. I can't take it off. Just take it off. Sorry guys, I am a little obsessed with TikTok audios and make sure everything is set and uniform. Now is the best part because I am going to give my face a little health and a little colors, because as you can see I look like I am dead because I am all white and I need to put some contour, some blush to look a little more healthy. So I am going to pass a contour here just to give me some color, you know, some design on my face, because I don't want to look like I have no expressions on my face. I am going to apply here and in my nose just a little bit. Like, I don't even care about the contour, I just pass it here. And anyways, now I'm gonna apply my brush. I'm using this one that is broken, as you guys can see, and it's from Natura. É da Natura, gente. And then I'm going to put here with that smile on my face, on my nose, because I love. And then I'm going to use a little highlighter with this brush, also from Real Techniques, because I bought it's not kit is in Portuguese, a set, because I bought a set of brushes from Real Techniques. And I'm going to pass here the highlighter, my nose, and the other side, of course. Anyways, guys, I haven't said that yet because it's really cliche, but I'm going to say now. I don't speak English like a native person, so of course I did a lot of mistakes, and I am going to do a lot of mistakes till the end of this video because I am Brazilian and I speak Portuguese, not Spanish. If you guys want a video like this in Spanish, I can do it too because I just love Spanish. So if you guys want a video that in Spanish, just let in the comments. And if you guys want to watch one in Italian, I already have it, so yeah, go there, watch it. And now I'm going to apply a little of mascara. This one is from Maybelline. I'm going to put this on my lashes, of course. Oh my god, the difference is so wow, like I am another person with the mascara, so I'm going to pass on the other eye too because I love mascara, seriously, it's the best thing ever. So I finished passing my mascara and it's amazing, I just love that. What I'm gonna do now, my lips, because they look a little like they are dying. It's very dry, as you can see, and I'm going to use this Carmex. I feel like a gringa right now. So guys, I'm going to use my Carmex today. Anyways, I'm going to use it because this one moisturizes the lips because they are dry. This is not enough to me. I'm going to apply some lip gloss too. Where is my lip gloss? In my probably here. Find it. I'm going to apply this lip gloss from Wet n Wild. I use this makeup every day, but every time that I do it, I just feel a new woman. To finish everything, I'm going to apply this Hyaluronic Fix from Revolution. It's an hydrating fixing spray, and I love it because it's really affordable. As you guys know, I'm poor. Woo! And this is how it turned out, my makeup, and I love it. I use it every day. I just love it because I look healthy and glowing, and it's a natural makeup. I hope you guys have enjoyed this makeup and this video. And that's it. Follow me on Instagram, subscribe to my channel, and I see you guys on the next video. Love you!